Let's see the first example. Find the amount of ordinary annuity if a payment of rupees 500 is made at the end of every quarter for 5 years at the rate of 12% per annum compounded quarterly. It is given that 1.03 bracket raised to 20 is equal to 1.8061. Okay, let us solve this example. Since rupees 500 is paid every quarter, our annuity means C is equal to 500. Also, it is given that N is equal to 5 years. Okay, but the payment is made every quarter. It means there will be 4 payments in 1 year. So in total 5 years, there will be 5 into 4, that is 20 payments. Okay, now see important thing, in this example we will take N is equal to 20. Actually N is number of payments made in those 5 years. Okay, similarly rate is given as 12% compounded quarterly. Okay, so quarterly means it is compounded 4 times in a year. So we are going to write 12 upon 4. One time it is 3%. Okay, so R is equal to 3% rate. Okay, and therefore we will write I is equal to 3 upon 100, which is 0.03. Now see, annuity is ordinary annuity, or you can say annuity immediate. So we will use this formula, C upon I into bracket 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Okay, so let us simplify further. C is 500 divided by 0.03. 1 plus 0.03 bracket raised to 20 minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to, I am going to take 2 digits to the right. It means 500 becomes plus 2 zeros, so 50,000 and upon 3. 2 digit आपण उजवीकडे गेलो म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला 2 शून्य द्यायला लागतील. त्या पद्धतीने येणार. हे 1.03 ब्रॅकेट रेस टू 20 हे आन्सर येईल मायनस 1. आता ही व्हॅल्यू दिलेलीच आहे बघा. आपण इथे लिहूया 50,000 डिवाइड बाय 3 इंटू 1.8061 minus 1. So which is only 50,000 divided by 3, 0.8061. Now divide by 3 to this 8061, we will get C50000 into 0.2687, and if you multiply by 5 you will get okay, and 4 zeros, but 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 there will be point. So our answer is 13,435. That's all. Okay, second example, which is example number 16 from the miscellaneous exercise 2. Find the least number of years for which an annuity of rupees 3,000 per annum must run in order that its amount exceeds rupees 60,000 at 10% per annum compounded annually. Given that 1.1 raised to 11 is 2.8531, 1.1 raised to 12 is 3.1384. Solution. We need the total amount to be at least 60,000. So we consider A is equal to 60,000. Then C means annuity is 3,000. R is 10% per annum compounded annually. So there is no change in R. So I will be 10 upon 100, that is 0.1. So as annuity is not mentioned, we consider it as a ordinary annuity. Okay, so A is equal to C upon I, 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. A is 60,000. is equal to C is 3000 divided by I 0.1 into bracket 1 plus 0.1 bracket raised to n minus 1. See, we have to find out number of years. So n is as it is. You can write n is equal to question mark असे लिहू शकतो आपण. ओके, आता हे सॉल्व करूया आपण हे सगळं. बघा इथे आपण लिहूया 60,000. So if you shift this decimal point, so it is 30,000. 1.1 raised to n minus 1. Okay, so it is 60,000 by divided by 30,000. You may write it is 2 actually. You may write directly also. We don't know value. 1.1 bracket raised to n minus 1. So therefore it is 2 equal to 1.1 bracket raised to n minus 1. If you take minus 1 to this side, it will be 3. It is equal to 1.1 bracket raised to n. Now given that 1.1 raised to n is 2.8531 and 1.1 raised to 12 is 3.1384. Therefore we get, you can write 2.8531 is less than 3.1384. That is 1.1 raised to 11 is less than 1.1 raised to n is less than 1.1 raised to 12. You can say from 1. Okay, from 1 this value 3 is in between this 11 and 12. So n should be least number of years is equal to 12 and therefore n is equal to 12 years. लक्षात घ्या, n आपल्याला किती पाहिजे, कमीत कमी 12 कसा. आपण जर 12 वर्ष खाली म्हणजे 11 वर्ष इन्व्हेस्ट केले तर आपली व्हॅल्यू किती येईल, 2.8 येईल. ओके, म्हणजे ती 3 पेक्षा लहान आहे. आपल्याला ऍक्च्युअली व्हॅल्यू किती पाहिजे, 1.1 रेस टू n किती पाहिजे, 3 पाहिजे. बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे मिनिमम 3 येण्यासाठी आपल्याला मिनिमम याच्यापेक्षा जास्त म्हणजे 12 वर्ष इन्व्हेस्ट करायला लागेल. सो दॅट इज द आन्सर. ओके, थँक्यू. लेट्स सी द थर्ड एक्झाम्पल. अ पर्सन परचेसेस अ टेलिव्हिजन by paying rupees 20,000 in cash and promising to pay rupees 1,000 at the end of every month for next 2 years. If money is worth rupees 12% per annum converted monthly, find the cash price of the television. Given that 1.01 bracket raised to minus 24 is equal to 0.7875. See, the person made a first payment, that is down payment of 20,000. Okay, so he made payment of 20,000 and remaining part of the payment he will make it by EMI. Okay, that is monthly payments. Okay, for 2 years. Okay, so here n is equal to 2 years, but the EMI is paid monthly. That is 12 payments per year. It means in 2 years there will be 2 into 12, that is 24 payments. So n is equal to actually 24, which is number of total payments. Also, rate is given as 12% per annum compounded monthly. Okay, so we are going to calculate the rate like this, 12 upon 12. Okay, that is 1%. Okay, monthly means there will be 12 compounding in a year. So there are 12 compounding means divided by 12. So 12 upon 12 it is equal to 1%. Okay, so if R is equal to 1%, then I is equal to R upon 100, that is 1 upon 100, which is 0.01. Now payment is made at the end of every month. Therefore annuity is ordinary annuity, or you can say immediate annuity. Now we have to find out cash value or cash price of the TV. He is making payment of rupees 1,000 for 2 years. So we need to find present value of that annuity. Okay, and that present value plus this down payment will be the price of the TV. Okay, So for the present value, the formula is this: P is equal to C upon I, 1 minus 1 plus I bracket raised to minus n. C 1000 rupees, I 0.01, 1 minus 1 plus 0.01 bracket raised to minus 24. It is very easy. If you shift 2 decimal points, म्हणजे 2 decimal point आपण उजवीकडे गेलो राईट साईडला, इथे आपल्याला 2 0 वाढवायला लागतील. सो इट विल बी लाईक 1000 वरती 2 0, सो इट विल बी लाईक 1 lakh. ओके, 1 minus 1.01 bracket raised to minus 24. So 1 lakh you can write into 1 minus this value, it is given as 0.7875. Okay, and this is equal to 1 lakh. Now this difference is, see, you can write 0.2125, and if you multiply by this 1 lakh, you will get 2125 and 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, 2 3 4 5 zeros, but decimal point is 1 2 3 4 digit to left, 4, so decimal point is here, somewhere here. So your answer is 21250. So this is what present value of the TV, and therefore what is the cash value? You can say down payment plus present value, that is down payment is 20,000 plus present value 21,250, so the total is 41,250. This is the cash value, that is the price of the TV. Okay, that's all. Next example: after how many years would an annuity due of rupees 3,000 per annum accumulated rupees 19,324.80 at 20% per annum compounded annually, given that 1.2 raised to 4 is equal to 2.0736. ओके, टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये हा एक्झाम्पल, याच्यामध्ये थोडंसं करेक्शन करायला लागेल आपल्याला. कंपाऊंडेड हाफ इयरली दिलेला आहे, पण गिवन थिंग्स आणि फायनल आन्सर बघितलं असता, त्याच्यामध्ये थोडंसं करेक्शन करून कंपाऊंडेड अॅन्युअली असं करून घ्या. ओके, आपण त्या पद्धतीनेच एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करणार आहोत. ओके, लेट अस सी व्हॉट आर द गिवन थिंग्स. C means annuity is of rupees 3,000, accumulated value rupees 19,324.80 at 20% per annum. So R is 20. So what is I? It is 20 upon 100. If you cancel out this 0, you will get 0.2. Okay, now it is given as annuity is annuity due. Therefore, we will use this formula: C into 1 plus I upon I into bracket 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Okay, we have to find out value of n. So n is unknown. Let us substitute all these values. N, A is equal to 19324.80. C is 3,000 into 1 plus 0.2 divided by 0.2, that is I. Now 1 plus 0.2 bracket raised to n minus 1. 19324.80, 3,000 into 1.2 divided by 0.2. 1.2 bracket raised to n minus 1. आता इथे काय होईल बघा, हा आपण एक डेसिमल पॉईंट समजा एक पुढे नेला, म्हणजे हा 2 होईल आणि हा 12 होईल. सो 12 upon 2 होणार. सो इन शॉर्ट इट इज 3,000. 12 upon 2 means 6 into bracket 1.2 bracket raised to n minus 1. So it is actually 18,000 into 1.2 bracket raised to n minus 1. Okay, so which is equal to, take 18,000 to left side, so it is 19324.80 divided by 18,000, 1.2 bracket raised to n minus 1. 19324.80 and 18 into 1000 करूया, 1.2 bracket raised to n minus 1. Now divide this part by 18 only. Let us calculate this part on a rough page. Okay, so 18. So our answer is this. Okay, so I am going to write division by 18. So it is 1073.6 divided by 1000 is also there. Okay, if you divide by 1000, the decimal point shifted to 3 digits left, so it will be like 1.0736. okay, is equal to 1.2 bracket raised to n minus 1 is equal to 1.2 bracket raised to n minus 1. So you will get 1.0736 plus 1, shift minus 1 to this side, you will get 1.2 bracket raised to n. Addition of these two is 2.0736 is equal to 1.02 bracket raised to n. Okay, so addition of these two is 2.0736 is equal to 1.2 bracket raised to n. But it is given that 2.0736 is 1.2 bracket raised to 4. 1.2 bracket raised to n. How it is given? Okay, and therefore you can say 4 equal to n, or you can say n equal to 4. So how many years? 4 years. That's all.